video, we will learn how to write the Katakana characters A, I, U, E, and O. The first character, A, is 2 strokes. The angle of the first stroke should be 45 degrees. Begin the second stroke about halfway through the first stroke. The second character, I, is 2 strokes. The beginning of the first stroke should be 45 degrees, tapering down as you go. Begin the second stroke halfway through the first stroke. The third character, U, is 3 strokes. The first stroke should be 45 degrees at the top and be halfway through the second stroke. Finish the character. The fourth character, E, is 3 strokes. The first and the third stroke should be parallel to each other, and the second stroke should be right in the middle. And the last character, O, is 3 strokes. Both the beginning of the first stroke and the top of the second stroke should be 45 degrees. The second stroke should come down about 2/3 of the way through the first stroke. Begin the third stroke where the first and the second stroke cross.
If you enjoy our videos, please support us by subscribing to our channel.